2,119 ang vacant SK sa buong Pilipinas. We have more or less 47,001 barangays pero 2,190. Hindi po kami makapag-conduct, Mr. Chair, ng special election dahil wala pong budget. Ngayon po sinuspend natin dahil sa paghahanda sa BSKE.
So option nga magpasa ng batas na mag-provide ng succession o hindi man paraan para humirang, mag-appoint, pumili.
Yes po, Mr.
Yung
Chair.
SK
Yes po, Mr. Chair. Actually
ng
po,
papalit.
nasa Kongreso po yan. Kung gugustuhin natin na yun na lang ipapalit sa halip ng special election, ay by appointment na lamang, nasa Kongreso rin po yan.
Just for the unexpired term.
That's right, Mr. Chair.
Kahit yung extension din, Chairman, yung lumampas sa 24. Kasi kung hindi, ang pwede mo lang mahalal ay 18 to 19. Pag nag-elect ka ng 20, lalampas na siya kung 5-year ang term.
Although, Mr. Chair, personally, I have a serious reservation dun sa we will cut short the term simply because lumampas na po siya sa 24.
So parang chief of staff, tapusin niya na yung 3 years kung may term siya.
Dapat po, Mr. Chair, because when he was elected by the people were fully aware that this person, although 24 years of age on the day of the election, is entitled to a 3-term
So 5-year
or a 5-year,
term.
yeah, a 5-year term, Mr. Chair.
Pero kailangan pa rin ng amendment ng batas. Para
Ah,
maging klaro at maliwanag.
Para maging klaro at maging mariwa. Yes, Mr. Chair.
Point well taken.